Hello, I am Dr. Anushdeep. I am a radiation oncologist. Now I am associated with Cancer Centers of America, Amritsar. Together we can fight against the cancer. What is radiation therapy? Radiation therapy is a crucial part of cancer treatment that employs high energy radiation to kill the cancer cells. How does radiation therapy treat cancers? Radiation therapy damages tumor cells DNA that slows the growth of cancer cell in the body. How can I prepare for radiation treatment? Radiation treatment involves several steps. First, you will meet with your radiation oncologist that will review your medical record and discuss potential risk and benefit of radiation therapy, simulation and treatment. What are the side effects of radiation therapy? Side effect depends on the treated area and radiation dose. Most common side effect associated with the radiation includes hair loss, skin irritation, fatigue, dry mouth and difficulty in swallowing. What should be the precaution during the radiation treatment? Certain precautions should be taken during the radiation treatment, like wash your treatment area with gentle soap, stay hydrated, should take a balanced diet, wearing loose clothing near the treatment area and seeking emotional support.